Somebody made already. Can't stand up.
Kobe made a table out of his sandwich and carrots. Isn't he such a creative person? And Julia wants more green beans.
And I want to. Please. And I want to.
Showing all the babies how to eat their vegetables. Can't really tell if she likes it, but
I want to.
I guess her opening her mouth is a good thing, right?
I want to take the picture. Stop! I'm gonna tell your mom. I'm really sure. I'm gonna tell.